What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We are heading to Goodwill to go thrifting, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. I was MIA for a little bit. I got the Rona and I got my test back. I don't know where the paper is, but I'm negative today, so I could go out and go thrifting. Haven't been in a little bit. Let's hope we find some cool stuff. Let's go. Here we are, guys. Just pulled up. It is a beautiful day. It's semi-busy. I mean, there's a decent amount of cars here. Looks like somebody bought an LG OLED TV right there. What? That's kind of dope. I wonder if they have more of those. All right, let's check out the electronics section. We got here a Jeopardy electronic game, brand new, $2. Oh, not brand new. The book slid right out. It's cut open. So, $2. I mean, it's a Tiger Electronics. It could be worth it, even used. We'll stick it in the cart. I also found this record right here, Godspell. Kind of cool. Let's see. What else do we got here? Here's a Sony dual cassette player. These sometimes can do good. I have so many big electronics at the house, though, that I really shouldn't be buying anymore. What is this? Oh, a mini shredder. This is a record player, cassette player, radio from JCPenney. 15 bucks. Kind of interesting. There's got to be something good down here. Another record player combo. A few printers. I don't really like to mess with used printers. A lot of times the ink can be all dried up on the inside. Now there is good money in used printers. I just don't really like to mess with them. We have a Netgear router. I thought it was new. It's used. Some of those can be okay though. Oh, flash pads. I've done really well with these. $2. It's a little dusty, but it should be fine. We'll scan this in. I'll show you guys how I look this up. Look it up in a minute. Let's just stick it in the cart for now. Here we go. We got some phone sets. Hey, look at that. I found this multiple times. It's actually not worth that much. It's the Incredibles logo in the middle there. It even says Disney The Incredibles right here. It's the red phone. $12. Oh, that's pretty expensive. Look at this. Happy Time. It's pretty busted. $30. It is falling apart. It is, I mean, this is broken for $30. I don't know what's going on there. What do we have up here? Fire Vision. $2. I've sold things like this lots of times. Originally $5 at TJ Maxx. We're gonna scan this in. I'm assuming it's worth some money, but we'll look all this stuff up in a little bit. Let's just stick it in the cart for now. See if we find anything else cool. It's down here. Oh my gosh, an Xbox mini fridge for $50. That's kind of cool. We'll look into that. I like that. This thing right here, Bobby classic robotic vacuum, $150 though. Holy cow. It's all in there though, but I think $150 is probably too much. I don't know. Let's look this one up right away. See, yeah, where's the barcode? There it is. Right here. So let me pull out my phone, and we're using the Amazon seller app. There it is. So I'm restricted. It's actually worth some good money. We'll request. Oh, I could sell it in used condition, but let's see if I could sell it in new. I can. Okay, cool. So I can sell it in used anyways. Let's take a look. Looks like one person selling it for $250. That's $194 after fees. They're asking $150. I'm not going to spend $150 to possibly make $40 if it works. So we'll leave this behind. But hey, good to know that if I find another one of these, maybe at 70 bucks, I'd pick it up. All right, we found a PlayStation controller here, $3. It's missing the little rubber over the thumbstick right here. And this one's a little sticky and gross. Not gonna get that. What do we have here? Some monster cables. No thank you. Talking mistletoe. No. But yeah, the cart, I mean, has some pretty cool stuff in it. Definitely happy about that. So I noticed a whole bunch of these Uno sets right here. They're all Uno Harry Potter. Same thing down here. They're $3 each. They're selling on Amazon for $5.99. After fees, there's no money in them. But I did find a few footballs, and these are going to be for myself. They're good-sized footballs, official size, for $5 each. They're all fully filled up, and they're basically brand new. So definitely taking these, and they're going to go in the backyard. Not bad. I could throw away my ones that are all busted up. What else do we have here? We have a little Thor Love and Thunder action figure. Pretty sure this movie hasn't even come out yet. It's opened, but I'll look it up. Why not? Alright, so we're down the Brack aisle, just random stuff, and you guys see I found this little Sunnyside egg shaper. It was originally priced at $2.99 clearance at whatever store it was at. They want $1. It's brand new. I looked it up. It has a pretty good rank. There it is, selling pretty well on Amazon for $9.90. I'll make $4.45, so after my dollar, a little over $3 profit. Not bad, I'll take it. Stick that in there. So my birthday is in July, and I always have a pool party, so I think I'm gonna get these. They're only $1, and these will look cool out by the pool. Ahoy with some balloons. I figure for $1, why not? That's $2, and those are some decorations. I shop for myself as well. What else do we have here? A Disney table cover. It's kind of cute. It's $1. We'll look that up. I don't think it's going to be worth much. I never really have luck with table covers, but you never know. What do we got? There we go. $8.95. I'll make $2.89 after fees, so yeah, we'll take it. Why not? Another almost $3. There's $6 right there. Pays off one of those footballs. This is kind of interesting. I found this sloth right here. I looked it up. It's a jelly cat. Interesting little sloth. And you can see he sells pretty regularly for around $15 or so. Not bad. They only want $2. I think I'm going to leave him behind. He is cool, but I don't really want to mess with him. But if I wanted to sell him on eBay, you know, $15 easily. Kind of neat. I used to sell snow globes all the time, and I finally found some. I haven't found some in a while. This is a Chicago skyline right here. You could tell because there's the Cubs stadium right there. It says Cubs. Got the train and some buildings. It works. It looks like it kind of came loose though, possibly. Maybe not. You can kind of see underneath. I don't know if that's a design flaw or something. But for $5, it's kind of nice, but it does look crooked, doesn't it? I don't know about that. We'll set it off to the side for now. But there's another one back here, Hollywood. This one's really cool, $5 as well. Southern California from Saks Fifth Avenue. Looks like the wood has kind of split on the side there. I don't know, $5 each, and they both have flaws. I don't know. I don't like how it looks like it's lifting up right there. I feel like in shipping it could fully come loose and pop off. And this one, I don't like that the wood is split right there. Otherwise, I would definitely grab both of these. I've sold very similar Saks Fifth Avenue snow globes for $40, $50, $60. But these ones definitely have just a little too much wear. It's a shame. I'm sure I could probably still sell these in the condition that they're in. I don't know, what would you guys do? Let me know down below in the comments. This is really cool. It's an old Dragon Ball Z binder from the year 2000. You can see right down there it says 2000 Bird Studio. It's cool. It's a little warped on the back end. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little curved. But I might still get this because it's too cool. 22 years old. We'll stick it in the cart. It's only $1, and yellow's half off, so it's actually 50 cents. I'll grab it for 50 cents. Why not? So I'm going through all the DVDs here. I found an awesome Brock Lesnar DVD set for $3. I opened it up. We got disc 1, disc 2, missing disc 3. I hate when this happens, especially when it's a good one. Take a look right here, selling for $50. Now I'm debating, should I still grab it and try and flip it on eBay, missing a disc for like $15? I'll probably end up just leaving it. What a shame. We also got Mordecai for $1. This is worth it. We'll stick that in the cart, make a few bucks there. this what on earth are we here for? It's $2. I'll make about 5. Take that. And then this is pretty good right here. I'll scan this in for you guys. I love finding these Wagner, Bach, all these like live concerts and plays. They seem to do pretty decently for me. They've been putting the stickers over the barcodes. So little tip for you guys, if your thrift store does that, open it up, slide out the artwork. And then we'll scan it in. And this one's pretty good. Used. Lowest price is coming in at 22, new 27. That's 18 after fees. It'll probably be closer to 15 bucks after fees, minus my 2, so that's $13 right here. That is a good price. Super happy about that. So this will go in the cart. Now I'm debating on that Xbox mini fridge. It's $50. I see the cheapest ones on eBay are at about $75 to $80. I'd sell it locally. I don't know. Spending 50 to possibly sell it for 80 bucks. I don't know. I'll make about $30. It's before taxes. I have to pay tax on this. I don't know if it's actually worth it, which is a shame. It's really cool, but 50 bucks might just push it over the limit. If it was 40 bucks, I'd definitely grab it. 50, it's, I don't know if I want to spend 50 to make $20. I don't know. I gotta think more about that. So I decided to come back to the electronics section because I was gonna put this mini fridge away, and I figured, you know what, let's check this router right here. $8. I scanned it in. Normally I don't do very well with these, but take a look at this. 100 bucks, pretty good, great rank, brand new, selling for $145, used $100. Now it was all about how it looked on the inside, so we opened it up and take a look, guys. Boom. It's basically brand new in here. It might be brand new, I don't know. It's got the charger all wrapped up, the Ethernet cord, and the unit still wrapped. So pretty sweet. I checked, it is the same unit that's supposed to be, so I will be snagging this and probably putting this back. So there's another TV here, Samsung, the AU 8065 inch. They want $300 for it. I looked it up. Here it is on Amazon. $647 is the cheapest. It appears. Used at $615. Ooh, this is a big maybe. I think I could possibly get it for $3 and flip it for $5. You think? Should I take a risk? If not, I have a new TV. Let's see. It has pretty good reviews. I think I'm gonna snag it and try to sell it for $500. I don't know. Do we do it? Should I take the risk? It's not that much of a risk because then I get a nice new TV. It is brand new. What do I do, guys? I mean, even if I could flip it for $400 real quick, that's a quick 100 bucks. I think I'm gonna do it. Guys. Why not? Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. All right, so we got the TV in the back of the car with everything else back there. That's how I'm gonna be driving home. It's not that far away from the steering wheel, but it'll have to work. Goodbye, Goodwill. Thank you so much for the TV. And it is brand new, so it says salvage on it. I think it was just a return, and I don't know how they got it. They said they had 3 this morning, and this was the last one, so hey, I got lucky. I'm gonna still pop it open and double check, make sure that it powers on fine and everything before I list it. I think I'm gonna list it. It's a nice TV. My TV is a 65 inch as well, but it's not a Samsung, so I don't know, I'm on the fence about it. All right, the trunk has been properly emptied and everything has been moved over here with the pup, with Sophia. Hi, little angel. What's up? What's up? Yeah, you're a freaking cutie. So we got everything in here. I found one little board game or card game before we left medium for $2 sells for about 18, so that's not bad right there. Everything else in here is pretty cool. I did try to look for this Dragon Ball Z binder, and I couldn't find the exact same one anywhere, but similar ones that just say Dragon Ball Z on them sell for over 20 bucks. So at 50 cents, that's a no-brainer. It's time to test the Xbox fridge and open up the Samsung TV. I'm pretty sure this is brand new inside. I mean, it looks brand new. It has that salvage sticker on it, but 99% chance of this thing working because it's still all sealed up, so that's cool. But I'm gonna test the Xbox fridge first because this looks like it went through the ringer. So yeah, time to cut this open. Also, the litter in the trunk of the car is for this little guy right here. His name is Jace. He's very cute. He wants to come outside really bad. Sorry buddy, not gonna happen. There's also another really cute cat up here named Annabelle. Hi Annabelle. Oh, Anna. You're a sweetheart. Me and Kristen took these kitties in from her mom. They are both 13 years old, and they're both very loving and awesome. Yeah, you're a good girl. They just hang out wherever. All right, I just plugged it in and powered it on, and I could hear it. The light came on right here, and oh wow, it's already feeling a little chilly in here, but I think that's just because it was dark in there. So yeah, it seems to be working fine. That is cool. That is great to know. Happy about that. I turned it on max mode. There's like a max and an eco back here. So I see the fan spinning up here. So that's nice. Everything's good. Now, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to light up and it's not. All right, so those two buttons I was pressing, that's what does it. This button up here turns this on and off. And then the button down here turns that on and off. So it works perfectly. So this will get listed. I'm gonna just do locally. I'm gonna throw it up for 100 bucks. It seems like the cheapest ones on Mercari were selling for around 100. On eBay, there's two that are under 100, but they're for local pickup in the middle of the country. So I assume I could try to do 100 bucks local. If somebody offers 80, I'll take it, make a quick 30 bucks. Not bad. Now on to the TV. Hey Soph, you're gonna make it kind of hard for me to open up this door here. I gotta open it. I know. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. I know, it's hot out here. Bloop. There we go. Oh, you're such a good girl. She's so happy. She's the happiest. What's that on you? Is that a spider? I don't know what that is. Oh, you're so cute. So this is why you check, guys. I just opened it up. I noticed all this dust. I'm like, what is up with all this dust right here? It is an LG 55-inch. Thing is not even 4K. Doesn't have the feet, doesn't have the remote, doesn't have anything. Somebody pulled a bait and switch on Target, who then gave it to Goodwill, who didn't check. So I gotta bring it back, get my $300 back. Gotta be careful, guys. That's why I wanted to open it right away, but now I have to lug this thing back in the car, which is not fun. So hey, you know what? It is what it is. What a shame. They better take this back. They better not think I'm the one that baited and switched it. I mean, I kind of have it on video, kind of. So yeah, you can totally tell by how dusty, and it's just an older TV. It's pretty thick. They completely scammed Target. So fun, totally fun. So it is all situated. We are back at home now. Luckily, they refunded me $300 back onto my card, so I don't have to worry about getting any of that money back. I don't have to worry about store credit, anything like that. They gave it back to me on my card. So that's cool. Good on you, Goodwill. Thank you very much. Yeah. I almost got scammed, not quite. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's Thrift School signing out. See ya.